I'm meteorologist Brian Shields watching two areas, one in particular right near Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, and Suriname. The rain's going to be building near Guyana and Suriname further the next few days, with that chance of even some flooding possible. And some of this rain will get closer to us in Trinidad and Tobago. So giving you that heads up, it'll break apart for the most part. A second thing I'm watching is some severe weather that's about to break out in the U.S. I'll show you that as well. Let me zoom down here first. This is Trinidad and Tobago. The rain totals the next 3 days. Not a whole lot today, but tomorrow, and as we work our way into the end of the week by Friday, a better chance of some scattered showers. Now, you see how close some of the heavy rain's getting, right? You see this purpler shading here. That's about 50 to 75 millimeters of rain, or 2 to 3 inches of rain. Most of that will be just off toward the east, but it's going to be close. So any change in this would bring us a little extra rain. As of now, as some of this rain drifts in from Suriname and Guyana, it'll break apart, but give us a better chance of some scattered showers as we work our way through the end of the week. So the rain chance at least will be bumping up, but we'll monitor some of the heavier rain. I'll zoom down into Guyana and Suriname in just a second with some of the rain totals. The other thing we're watching is that next big system that's going to roll through the United States. It's already moving into the western U.S. and western Canada right now. It's amazing how the weather is tied together, but by the time we get into Saturday, right across parts of the middle portions of the United States, a severe weather outbreak, a very strong spring-like front is going to be moving by, and the tail end of that front will clip us by in the northern Caribbean. But a severe weather outbreak possible late Friday into Saturday as we work our way into parts of the U.S. Now, here's what's going on right now. One old front near Puerto Rico. There's the rain in Guyana and Suriname, and you can see how things evolve. Let's move into tomorrow and look how that batch of rain starts to work its way closer to Trinidad and Tobago. Now, Guyana, Suriname still dealing with some of the rain and getting some of the isolated flooding. Also, scattered showers, Haiti and the Turks and Caicos, even Jamaica. As we go through the end of the week for us, we'll see some scattered showers. As some of that rain moves toward Trinidad, it starts to break apart, but the rain chance does bump up later on Thursday into Friday. This here is Friday. Watching out for some scattered showers near Grenada, St. Vincent the Grenadines. And then again, you see Jamaica, Haiti, the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, not a washout, but those scattered showers that will be with us into the end of the week, right into the upcoming weekend. We'll break that down together with the rain totals and take a look at the forecast ahead. Now, we swing here. This is that batch of rain that moved through Bermuda, that front all the way down through Puerto Rico, but this is that new area. Look at all this aggressive weather, gusty winds, watching out for a lot of rain, west coast of the United States, parts of British Columbia, and that will work across. So this is the next system. So let me stop it right here. This is on Saturday, and you see that severe weather potential: Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, and the front stretches right down into the Gulf. But there's the severe weather threat. Colder air, Quebec, Ontario, seeing some of the snow showers with it. Then on Sunday, that front moves into the U.S. It is that time of year. Severe weather may be possible in parts of the U.S., but these fronts only clip by, just brushing by the Bahamas Sunday into Monday. Most of the fronts will be staying up to the north. What we'll be watching out for in the Caribbean is some rain that will start to creep in. It does look a little bit wetter down the road. And then another system moving into parts of the U.S. Now look how the wave heights are changing. Now, Gulf, Caribbean, over toward the Bay, everything looking good, but still around the Bahamas, north side of Haiti, the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, high seas today, 2 to about 3 meters, even a little bit higher over toward Bermuda. Then as that system that's off the coast of Bermuda, or to the north of Bermuda, starts to work our way, things are a little bit better Thursday into Friday. The waters, the Atlantic Passageway, still a chop, no doubt, but not as rough, higher seas out into the central sections of the Atlantic with this blob right here. So this is back to today. Here's Bermuda. This area moves away, but there's that little system I was talking about, just trying to clip by Nova Scotia and Newfoundland. This area lifts up to the north, and then as we move forward, we're going to see the next system getting closer by the time we get into the weekend. Here's Friday. This is the next system that will evolve, eventually bring that severe weather threat for some on Saturday and work its way off toward the east. So we'll be tracking that as we go through the end of the week. As far as rain totals go, they're pretty low, but look at this. We're going to see those scattered showers, as I mentioned, Jamaica, Haiti, the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and a little purple showing up. Occasionally, we may get some spots over 25 millimeters of rain or over an inch of rain. If you get some repeat areas of rain the next couple days, we could get a few spots getting an inch or 25 millimeters of rain. Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic, right back through Puerto Rico, but not as much U.S. British Virgin Islands, St. Martin, St. Bart, St. Eustatia, St. Kitts, Nevis over toward Montserrat. Dominica, rain chance stays low, but here's that batch of rain that will get closer to us in Trinidad and Tobago. I'll be watching that. Could feed in a couple showers. Grenada and Barbados, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, the Grenadines, not as much. Here's that zoom down look. Guyana and Suriname, watching out for the areas of flooding. That's why I mentioned that right away in this video. We'll get some spots around 100 millimeters of rain or 4 inches of rain. Could see a little bit more in some locations. Keep me posted, but a better chance of flooding. Guyana and Suriname, and then we'll see how close that rain gets to the southeastern Caribbean through the end of the week. Central America, Belize, down through Costa Rica, Panama, rain chance not as high. Got to go south in Colombia to get a better chance of rain. Mexico City, we're dry. Much of Texas, we are on the dry side. So you see the rain chance starting to tick up tomorrow and Friday. Thursday and Friday in Jamaica, we're looking at a 40% chance of some scattered showers, 30% chance of an isolated shower today, Cayman Islands, 20% chance tomorrow. So Trinidad, rain chance starts to go up some, but it's not a washout. Not all of us see the rain, but you see tomorrow and Friday, we're up to at least a 40% chance of scattered showers. We'll just see together how close some of that heavier rain tries to get over the next couple of days. 20% chance in Barbados, 20% chance in St. Lucia. You see how it stays low. Grenada generally low, but a couple of the showers may sneak in later this week. St. Vincent, the Grenadines, rain chance about 20%. Southern Islands, better chance of a spotty shower. 30% chance today in Martinique, 30% chance the next 2 days. So very isolated in Dominica. We get toward Guadeloupe. Rain chance stays on the low side and a lot of sunshine. Antigua and Barbuda. Rain chance 30% the next 2 days. St. Kitts, Nevis, and Montserrat. Just a 20% chance Anguilla and St. Bart's. A 20% chance St. Martin, Saba, and Statia. Rain chance a little higher, as I mentioned. Puerto Rico, Thursday, Friday, tomorrow and Friday, up to a 40% chance of scattered showers. We may get a couple U.S. and British Virgin Islands by the end of the week. Bahamas were mainly dry, cooler this morning as well. Turks and Caicos mainly dry for today, but there's that rain chance getting higher. The Dominican Republic, 40% chance tomorrow. On Friday, we're looking at about a 50% chance and a 40% chance, 30 to 40% chance of some spotty showers across Haiti the next 3 days. To get back through Belize, we're mainly on the dry side. Some beautiful weather, temperatures heating up. Aruba, Curacao, and Bonaire generally on the dry side through the end of the week. But here's Guyana, that rain chance 60 to 70%. Watching out for some of those areas of flooding, a 70% chance of rain in Suriname the next couple of days. Watching out for areas of flooding. Cuba, some cooler starts, but overall, a lot of sunshine. Costa Rica, Panama, rain chance 30%. Nicaragua holding at 30%. And rain chance down further tomorrow and Friday in Honduras, just a 20% chance. Mainly dry, Guatemala and El Salvador. We're on the dry side right back through Mexico City as we work our way into the Yucatan Peninsula. Looking good. Merida back through Cozumel. Northern Colombia, generally just an isolated shower. South in Colombia, better chance of rain. 20 to 30% chance in northern Venezuela. And that system is now to the east in Bermuda. So generally some drier weather, those high seas though. So monitoring the southeastern Caribbean, watching those areas of flooding that I've been highlighting. That new front rolling through the U.S. this weekend, that'll bring some severe weather. And in yesterday's video, I covered that total lunar eclipse. That is going to be happening tomorrow night. So you can jump back into that video for more information on that. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.